Hello, in the previous video I explained the overview of the every mobile tab. I also mentioned that I will be explaining about each and every step of this tab in detail in the upcoming videos. Now in this video I will explain the develop test case for functional testing. To start the development process, click on the develop test case button. It will open the Notepad++ and the UI Automator. You have to make sure that the Android phone is connected to the system. Also, you have to ensure that the USB debugging option is enabled in the developer options. Now this is the Notepad++ and this is the UI Automator. Now you can write the code in the Notepad++ using the UI Automator to detect the elements. This is a sample code for functional testing. You have to write only one scenario for functional testing. Once the code is written, now save the test case based on the naming conventions. I'm going to save it in the documents folder. You have to save it as mf_calculator_tc_001 and you have to save it as a Python file. Click on the save button. Once the test case is now saved, you can close the Notepad++ and the UI Automator. This is how you have to write a test case for functional testing. In the next video, I will explain the steps how to prepare the test case which was written in this step. To post your projects, visit our website TestOnNeed.com. For further more assistance, contact us on sales@TestOnNeed.com. Do connect with us on our Twitter and LinkedIn accounts. Stay tuned. Thank you.